So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come on gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see here search button. So click to search button and then type your model number of your motherboard, Z890 Eagle WIFI7, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click to title of motherboard name. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, if you have a Windows 11 and 10, so you can watch this video and install one by one. First audio, you can see this is 165. You see here downloading. Click on the download button. After downloaded, it will start at downloading. Then guys, click on this. Then just double click to this is extract tech driver. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting data to your system, ready to install. Now you can see this is driver is installing. Wait few seconds. It will close automatically, means it is done. Then it is done and close it.